Sir, 2024 was brilliant for you. शुरुआत हुई कहीं ना कहीं शैतान के साथ, उसके बाद सिंघम अगेन में हमने उसको एंड किया और अब यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के साथ इस साल की शुरुआत होने जा रही है. What do you have to say on that? And I believe you have this very special something for this movie. Please talk to us about it, sir.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी. स्पेशल मतलब ये फिल्म मेरे लिए काफ़ी मायनों में स्पेशल है. पहला तो ये कि इस फिल्म में दो नए बच्चे लॉन्च किए जा रहे हैं, बोथ वेरी टैलेंटेड. एक जो मेरी कलीग और मेरे दोस्त की बेटी है और एक अमन जो मेरे बेटे जैसा नहीं बट बेटा है. दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, दोनों बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हैं. और अभिषेक who's known to launch new stars, I would say, not kids, and he's always been successful with that. And बहुत patience है इसमें नए लोगों को, you know, I wouldn't say झेलने का, but उनको संवारने का. But they've done very well, all of them. और दूसरा रीज़न मैं कहूँगा कि जो मेरा प्यार है घोड़ों के लिए, जब हमने शुरू किया था तो बहुत घोड़ों की फिल्में आती थी और बहुत मज़ा आता था. सारा दिन हम घोड़े पे ही लगे रहते थे, घूमते रहते थे. बहुत टाइम के बाद फिर आई थिंक लास्ट वाज बहुत सालों के बाद थी तानाजी, बट अब फिर ये फिल्म. एंड अभिषेक हैज़ गॉट सम लवली हॉर्सेस एंड यहाँ से भी और वहाँ से जो क्रू है जो ट्रेन किया, जिस प्यार से घोड़ों को रखा. और हम लोग 40-45-50 डिग्री नियरली उसमें जयपुर में शूट कर रहे थे और जिस तरीके से हमारी हालत थी और फिर जो घोड़ों को जैसे संभाला जा रहा था, आई थिंक इट वाज लवली टू वॉच. बहुत मज़ा आया.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. अभिषेक सर, एक ही चीज बोलना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे सबसे पहले कि सर ने जैसा कहा, न्यू कमर्स नहीं, यू एक्चुअली वर्क विद स्टार्स. कहीं ना कहीं यू ऑलरेडी सी दैट इन देम. फिर चाहे वो सारा अली खान की बात हो, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की बात हो, या राजकुमार राव को उनका वो जो बड़ा वाला ब्रेक मिला था काय पोछे से हम कहेंगे. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, what did you see in these two lovely people? And दूसरी चीज सर, whenever it's an अभिषेक कपूर directorial, वहाँ पे म्यूजिक amazing होता है. फिर केदारनाथ या चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी. What do you have to say sir on that?
You know, I am totally driven by the stories that I want to tell. और जब आप कहते हैं कि मैं न्यू कमर्स को लॉन्च करता हूँ, मैं एक्चुअली जो किरदार मेरे कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं फिल्म कहानी बोलने में, मैं उनमें जान डालने की कोशिश करता हूँ. और वो ऑलरेडी वो कैरेक्टर्स मेरे लिए स्टार्स होते हैं, क्योंकि मैं जब सोता हूँ तो उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ. तो जब आप राशा और रमन की बात करते हैं तो मुझे उनमें गोविंद और जानकी नज़र आते हैं. यू नो, एंड आई एम ड्रिवन. दे आर, आई नो देम इन एंड आउट. यू नो, और मेरे लिए वो बच्चे जैसे होते हैं. और ये मेरी पूरी कहानी, सारे कैरेक्टर्स मेरे बच्चों जैसे होते हैं. एंड आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस टू देम. आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस to the story. I have to do justice to every character in that film, and I do the best I can, you know. And it's you know, I think भोलेनाथ ऊपर से साथ देते हैं मेरा. और ऐसी फिल्म बनाने के लिए ये इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है. You know, it's not a small, जैसे it's not a project कि आप किसी को लॉन्च करने के लिए आप फिल्म बनाएं. These are not those films. These are very passionately driven films, and you need people like Ajay, you know, because this man is, I've had such an experience working with him. When I sit with him and I talk to him, he's so grounded and he's so secure as an individual. He doesn't, like I've seen so many actors, you know, sometimes they are so insecure about so many factors that play on their mind, but he has none of that, you know. And once I have him supporting me and saying, yeah, I'm with you on this film, and it's not like he is the only, it's not a Ajay Devgan film, you know, it's Azad, and he's part of Azad, and that's the great part about him. He can fit into a film like this. He can do a singer, he can do a film with Vishal Bhardwaj and become that. He can become anything. He's a chameleon, you know, and that's his mastery on his craft. But I would really like to add one thing, you know, which I don't get the chance to express, because you know, a film like this, to mount a film like this, like I said, it's not just a project or it's not a business opportunity. I cannot do it without the support of Mr. Ronnie Screwvala.
Absolutely.
You know, this man is such a fabulous individual. You know, when I meet him and I can see he's achieved so much in this field and in other arenas as well. But when you watch him work and the way he thinks, he's like an institution. You know, I learned so much from him about how I should operate. He's creative, and then his business acumen triggers at the way he checks himself, and at the same time, he doesn't compromise on the creative part of it, you know. So, I mean, it's not possible for films like this to be made without the blessings of this man. And, you know, every member of my crew, and it would not be fair if I didn't talk about my producer, my wife. You know, I mean, she's my wife, and people think, यार एक ही बात है, मगर you know, एक director को झेलना और वो भी आपके घर पे, और you know, we actually end up being 24 hours together. So when I'm making a movie, I'm quite crazy, you know. It's very difficult to handle a person like that. And then when you are the producer of the film, you have to deal with all his professional bullshit also, you know, other than his personal one. So it takes a very strong and a solid person to handle a person like me. And I wanted to take this opportunity to thank her.
Aman, Rasha, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's so good to see you. Okay, here we are. We have all these eminent journalists here. Like, अभी क्या बोलेंगे यहाँ पे after this response from them? And of course, whatever the teams just shared with us. Aman, we'll start with you. How special is this moment for you?
I think when we first started shooting this film, I was very nervous. I think we both were, because we were just starting out.
We're still nervous.
And I'm still nervous at this stage, but it's also accompanied with a lot of excitement, a lot of happiness. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इतने सारे लोग यहाँ आए हैं, and I don't know, I think this moment will stay in my brain forever, till the end of time.
Right, one more thing. हर कोई जानना चाहता है. How was it working with this superstar here, Mr. Ajay Devgan?
I was so nervous. पहला दिन जब I shot with him, I was shit. What am I going to do? Because I was not seeing the character. I was saying, shit, this is Mr. Ajay Devgan standing in front of me. But I think Gattu sir helped me a lot in that moment. He calmed me down. He said, अपने किरदार को पकड़ो. ये अजय देवगन नहीं है. Nervous मत हो. And I think that helped a lot. With what Gattu sir said. Yeah.
And वो दिख रहा है उस बड़े पर्दे पे, वो कंफर्ट दिख रहा है कि हाँ मुझे पता है मैं कहाँ हूँ और क्या कर रहा हूँ. You know, वो कमाल की केमिस्ट्री दिख रही है. Give it up for Aman, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Moving on to the star, already a star. We're seeing these reels everywhere. We're seeing these videos, and they're like, ये तो यार born star है. Rasha, what do you have to say standing here, सब लोगों के सामने, and इतना सारा प्यार you're getting?
This is like a crazy moment for me. I don't think I ever would have imagined this, me being here with all these beautiful people, because I'm so thankful, whether it's Ajay sir, Gattu sir, Pragya, Ronnie sir, I'm so thankful. And my co-actors, Aman, Diana, Mohit, I've learned so much from all of them. And I'm actually blanking out. I'm that nervous and excited, and I'm so full of emotion. But this is a dream moment for me. I'm so grateful.
All I want to say is, ladies and gentlemen, Rasha Thadani, ek baar zordar taliyan. We'd like to now invite on stage, as I said, this gentleman, of course, television pe inhone hum sab ke dil jeete hain. Uske baad digital domain maybe he's there, and how? Give it up for Mohit Malik, as this is his big Hindi film debut. Welcome, Mohit bhai. Thank you so much. देखिए सवाल जवाब बड़े सारे, लेकिन इस समय क्या चल रहा है मोहित भाई? यू नो, एवरीबडी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस फिल्म. ये सब लोग साथ आए हैं, अपनी पावर्स को एक साथ लेके आए हैं और आज़ाद को बनाया है. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से?
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank Gattu sir, Abhishek sir, for believing in me and making me a part of this film, for having this profound trust in me that I can play Tej, and giving me that environment, such an homely environment, Pragya and Abhishek sir, so that I can deliver my best with honesty. And also making me a part of the film which has Ajay sir in it. And you know, it's a big moment for me. I can't tell you, as Rasha said, it's again a way, मतलब वो शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास बयां करने के लिए इस वक्त मैं क्या महसूस कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन I would just want to thank him. I'm so grateful to God, grateful to him for making me a part of this film. And thank you Pragya, thank you Ronnie sir, and of course the wonderful cast. Diana, मुझे एक पल के लिए भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि Diana के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मेरी पहली फिल्म है. So thank you Diana for making me so comfortable. And of course these two बहुत मस्ती करी, बहुत मज़ा किया और अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश की है. आई होप सबको अच्छा लगे.
Sure, sir. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. Thank you so much. I would request all you lovely people to kindly be seated. And यहाँ पे I know हमारे पास बड़े सारे सवाल.
But now you also have the role of a margdarshak to all these people. What does that feel like? And
मार्गदर्शक.
हाँ जी.
Not really. I mean,
You know, सब लोग पैर छूते हैं and पैर, you know, they come and, you know, everybody.
उससे बस ऐसा लगता है पैकअप तो नहीं हो गया आपका. No, it's just I think सबको अपना अपना मार्ग खुद ढूंढना पड़ता है and सबको अपने रास्ते खुद ढूंढने पड़ते हैं. अगर किसी को आप फॉलो करेंगे तो आई थिंक आप कभी कामयाब नहीं हो सकते. तो आई थिंक जितने लोग हैं सो सब इंस्पिरेशन आप बहुत लोगों से ले सकते हैं लेकिन रास्ता तो आपको खुद ही ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
But are you, because they all look up to you so much, do you give them a lot of advice and do they come to you for a lot of advice? And have these two guys, 3-4 of them come to you for advice?
Where Aman is concerned, honestly speaking, he keeps getting fired from me all the time. Whatever he does is not enough for me. So he works very hard, but I keep pushing him and I keep saying it's not enough. So I don't know, he likes it sometimes, he doesn't like it sometimes, but that's how I am and that's how I will be.
Okay. And so I'm going to ask Aman, what's he like as an uncle and what's he like as a co-star?
I think he got it spot on. He is as loving as he is strict. So when it comes to having fun and enjoying family time, he's very loving. But when it comes to work, you'll want to
He
run
scolds
away.
you.
You'll want to run away, actually.
Okay,
Very
all right.
strict.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hi, Rasha, hi. I'm Titash from News 18.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My question for you is that, you know, Ajay sir and Ravina ma'am have of course worked together. What was your earliest memory of Ajay Devgan? Do you ever remember visiting him on a film set? What was it like?
Unfortunately, I doubt, I don't think so. I must have been very young if I did. But I don't remember.
I think since she was born, I think we didn't work together. I mean,
Yeah, I don't think so. But I do, the first time I met him was on set when we were shooting. And it was a bit intimidating because firstly, everything was intimidating for me. But when I was meeting him, I was very nervous. I was very nervous. But he has this aura that just makes everyone feel comfortable. So luckily, throughout, we've just felt so secure and nice, and it's just been such a fun experience.
Great. Aman, my question to you is, now we heard about your personal equation with your uncle.
Yeah.
But, you know, what would be your major takeaway from the filmographies and the careers of, let's say, Ajay sir and Kajol ma'am?
I think a film that I saw very young and it really shook me was Bhagat Singh. It really made me want to become an actor. And for the latter, I would say probably Kuch Kuch Hota.
अमर उजाला जीवांजलि के सारथी की मदद लें और महाकुंभ में स्नान जरूर करें.